What's going on, guys? EPICJONTUAZON here, and we got some LED light bulbs from Minger. And I guess they're not really light bulbs, they're light strips. And these should go on the interior of the car. These are kind of like the underglow that go underneath the foot pedals, which should accent the car pretty cool. We're going to throw them onto the Subi today, and it should be a pretty quick install. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it looks like inside the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the outside, a basic white box. On the back, there is a model number, a SKU, all that stuff. It tells you the dimensions, which is 4 by 30 centimeters or 11.8 inches long. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, so inside there's a little manual which gives you more of the specs on the actual light strips, but we can get to that later. Far as you need to know is it's RGB and they're LED. So it looks like here there's a little controller which powers on. We'll have to see, maybe this chooses the color, and then this might be just rotating lights. And it just plugs into your cigarette lighter, so which is going to be pretty cool. This is a push button on, push button off. It's got a adhesive on the top, so you can mount them where you please. But I'm going to go ahead and install these into the Subi, plug them in, and I'll catch up back with you. Alright, so right now I have it hooked up. Let me just go ahead and turn it on so you guys can take a look at it, and then I'll give you guys a tour. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the lights are on. I have the controller hooked up right here, right now with the 3 buttons going long ways, so this actually just turns it off. Actually, that makes it better, you guys can see it. So this is on and off. The middle button actually just changes colors, so you can have all different types of colors and it will just stay solid. Or you can have this last button here, which will actually just strobe it according to the sound. So all the sounds I'm making, it should be flashing to the beat. So if I turn on some music here, and I'm not going to keep it on because otherwise I'll get flagged for copyright. But this is actually pretty cool. I have 2 on each side, and it actually looks really cool. And I'll get out of the car to actually show you guys what it looks like on both sides at the same time. And just to give you guys a quick look underneath, I have them just lined up right underneath near the foot pedals. And on the other side, same thing, right underneath the glove box. I just have them doubled up. I was gonna try and get them all the way around the car, but there just is not enough length, which is okay because I'm only going to be sitting in the front, and I'd love to see them. Okay, so there you have it, LED lights, or interior lights from Minger. These were super easy to install. They only take 12 volts to power, so you can just plug them into your cigarette lighter. And they already come with the adhesive attached to it, so it's easy to apply to your car. Overall, I love the way it looks inside the car. Since all the newer cars come with accent lights underneath it, it adds a little modern touch to your old vehicle since this is a 2002. So if you have a car from the era, adding this could spice up your car again. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see